Hello everyone and welcome to Katha by Shraddha. Today I am bringing to you a folk tale from India and it's called Mohini and Ajivika. So this story starts with once upon a time. Once upon a time, a very long time ago, there lived a little girl called Mohini. Her name was Mohini. And little Mohini lived by the seashore and some mountains, in a little village with the sea on one side and the mountains on the other side. It was a very beautiful area and a very beautiful village. And the thing that Mohini loved to do all the time was to sing and dance. And Mohini just used to sing everywhere she went, and whatever she was doing, she just loved to sing and she used to break out into dance. And others didn't like it so much. She used to dance when in school. She used to be sitting at her desk and the teacher was teaching. 1 + 1 is 2. Children, write. Mohini used to write. 1 + 1 is 2. Once or twice she used to write. 1 + 1 is 2. And then the music used to start in her head. 1 + 1 is 2. 1 + 1 is 2. Mohini, this is classroom. This is school. Stop singing. Yes, ma'am. +1 is 2. Mohini, out of my classroom. Go home. Yes, ma'am. And she used to go home. What would she do? You know, they just didn't like her singing. So she used to go home and wander around. But sometimes she used to go and meet the fishermen because she loved the fishermen, and you'll know why very soon. The fishermen used to be by the sea, rowing their boats. And they used to be throwing their fishing nets out to catch the fish. But most of all, while they were waiting for the fish to bite, they used to be also singing. Vallavre Nathva ho, Vallavre Rama. Vallavre Nathva ho, Vallavre Rama. Me Dolkar, Dolkar, Dolkar Nadiyacha Raja. Me Dolkar, Dolkar, Dolkar Nadiyacha Raja. घर पाण्यावरी बंधाला देतो ये जा. मी डोलकर, डोलकर, डोलकर नदियाचा राजा. And she used to love the fishermen because they used to sing so well. And she used to catch the tune and be singing herself. मी डोलकर, डोलकर, डोलकर नदियाचा राजा. And the fishermen used to find her saying, little girl, what are you doing here? It's too dangerous for you near the ocean and the boats and all. Please go home. And she said, please let me stay. I love what you're singing. No, Mohini, you go home, please. So Mohini used to go on home. And she used to be walking with the songs just going on in her mind. And she used to come across some women sitting by outside their houses, grinding corn. You know, in the olden days, they used to have 2 big stones grinding on top of each other, circular stones, and used to put the corn in the middle or grain, and when you ground the stones you would get flour. So the women were sitting, and while they were working, what do you think they were doing? They were also singing. Dhantar tanna dhanna tanna dhantanna tanna tanna dhantanna tanna tanna tanna. Dhantanana tana tana dhantanana tana tana dhantanana tana tana tana. And Mohini used to love that. So she used to be singing too with them. Dhantanana tana tana dhantanana tana tana dhantanana tana tana. And her grandma used to find her there saying, Mohini, I've been waiting for you at home. What are you doing here, you silly girl? Grandma, I was just listening to these women. They're so nice. They sing so well. Mohini, I've been waiting for you. You have to shell peanuts at home. Come quickly. So much time you're wasting. But Grandma, it's so nice to hear them singing. Okay, I'll come. So she used to go home with her grandma. And the grandma used to got a big bowl of peanuts to shell. So she used to be shelling the peanuts. Mohini, all the shells are falling on my face. What are you doing, you silly girl? Grandma, I'm so sorry, but it's so much fun. You also come with me and dance. Come. Arey Mohini, I'm so old. What are you making me dance and all at this age? Stop it. Okay, Grandma. And as Mohini and her grandma were talking to each other, they heard a sound from the mountains. And the sound started at the mountains and came. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. And everybody, grandma, the fishermen, the women grinding the corn, the teacher in the classroom, everybody went, Ajivika! Ajivika! Run for safety! And the teacher in the classroom dropped her chalk and she ran. Kud, 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 kud. The children picked up their bags, all their school bags, and they were like, holiday! And they ran. Kud, 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 kud. The fishermen rowed quickly back ashore and they put their boats away safely and then they ran. Kud, 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 kud. The women got the corn, left everything. Kud, 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 kud. They also ran away. And grandma told Mohini, Mohini, shut the door, shut the windows, come inside, close everything, stay safe inside. Oh, you silly girl, what are you doing? Don't go outside. And Mohini's like, what happened? Ajivika may be coming. So what? Ayyo, when you will get sense, you silly girl? Ajivika, he is coming. Who do you think Ajivika was? Ajivika was a dangerous demon. And Mohini said, Grandma, you always tell me these stories. I have never seen Ajivika. I don't know what all of you all are scared about. And Grandma's like, Ayyo, this silly girl, when will you get some sense? Ajivika is a demon. Do you know what his power is? Nobody sees him. Before they see him only, he can put his hand on your head and woof! You will go up in fire and smoke and you will be a pile of ash. You stay inside. Grandma, I don't believe you. But even if Ajivika is real, we should do something about him now. What everyone is running everywhere scared of him? You know what? We should teach him a lesson. You lovely 9-year-old girl, you will teach that demon Ajivika a lesson. I have a plan, Grandma. You do your plan and keep it inside this house. Come and sit here near me. But Grandma, nothing doing, Mohini, sit here. Mohini said, no, I am going to do something about Ajivika, Grandma. And she went to the village panchayat. Do you know what the panchayat is? Panchayat is a council of 5 wise people that are elected from the villagers, that the villagers elect to make their decisions of law and order and judgments for them at the village level. And everybody listens to the panchayat. So Mohini thought, well, I'm going to go to these people and I'm going to tell them that I'm going to take care of Ajivika once and for all for them. So the panchayat was already meeting under this big banyan tree and the villagers were all gathered around thinking, oh dear, what to do now if Ajivika actually comes down the mountain? Where are we going to hide? What are we going to do? And Mohini went. It was a big throng of people. She's like, excuse me, uncle, excuse me. And she went all the way to the front by the banyan tree's base where all these 5 panchayat people were sitting. And because it was a long time ago, usually they were men. So they had very big mustaches, very serious people, big turbans, and sitting and thinking, what to do, how to do this, what to do. And she said, "Excuse me, Panchayat. Hi, I'm Mohini." I said, yeah, we know you, Mohini. You know what? I have a plan to destroy Ajivika. Just give me one chance, please. The village Panchayat did not know what to do. This little girl, all of us are thinking for so many years what to do about Ajivika, and she is here so excited. What to do? Okay, they told her, "Okay, Mohini, okay, all right. We'll give you a chance, okay? Little later." Say, "No, Panchayat, please, just one chance, please. I just know how to destroy Ajivika. Please give me one chance. I'll never ask you for anything else again. I'll even stop singing and dancing. Just give me one chance." So the Panchayat said, she'll stop singing and dancing. Should we give her a chance? They were still very afraid what to tell this little girl. They were afraid of sending her to the demon. But then one person on the Panchayat thought, you know what, she's so confident and she really wants a chance. Let's give it a try. Anyway, we can't think of what to do. So let her try her plan. So they said, "Okay, Mohini, we'll give you one chance. All right?" And the grandma who had run behind said, "What this Panchayat is thinking? My little baby, my little grandchild, Mohini, she's only 9 years old. Are you crazy? Why are you sending the little girl to the demon?" Mohini said, "Grandma, it's okay. Don't worry. I'll be fine. I have a plan." And grandma said, "You silly girl, what plan? You just stay home, you come with me, hold my pallu and come just now." Mohini said, "Please, grandma, let me go. The Panchayat has given me permission. I promise I'll be back by dinner. Okay?" So grandma's like, "Okay, what should I make for dinner?" And Mohini said, Make idlis. I like idlis. Okay? I'll come back to eat your idlis. Okay? Promise." And grandma was like, "Okay, Mohini, you take care." Say, "Bye, love." And Mohini started going to the mountain outside the village. She took with her her 2 most favorite things in the world, her payals or jingles that she used to wear when she danced. And Mohini starts walking. Poluna poli, tarananananana, taranune, poluna poli, poluna poli, taranananana, dinti tada tada tada, dinti tada tada tada, dinti tada tada tada, vallavre nakhwa, dinti tada tada tada, dinti tada, poluna poli. And she reached the base of the mountain. And as she reached the base of the mountain, things started getting very quiet. There were no animals, no insects, no birds. So she continued, very wary, continued up the mountain. And she reached halfway up the mountain. And there she saw piles of ash. She's wondering, are these all the people who had come here and Ajivika destroyed them? And she started walking through the ash up the mountain. All the way to the top of the mountain. And there she saw a cave. It was very dark inside. So she peeped inside the cave and she said, "Ajivika, Ajivika." Nobody answered. So she's like, "Mohini, you can do this." She called out a little louder, "Ajivika, Ajivika." And just as she called out, there was a huge thundering sound. "Who dares come to my cave?" And Ajivika came out of the cave. And Mohini was like, "Mohini, my name is Mohini. And I have come to meet you, Ajivika." And Ajivika was this tall, bigger than a coconut tree, big demon with red eyes, fiery eyes, and very horrible looking hair. He had not taken a bath for a very, very long time, so he was stinking also. But he was looking, where is this voice coming from? And then he saw Mohini right by his legs over there. And he's like, "Meet? You come to meet me?" I only eat. Come here. And she's like, Ajivika, I came to meet you because I heard you are a very good dancer and I wanted to see you dance. Dance? You heard? And my mother used to say I could dance, but I have never danced in a really long time. I just eat people and sometimes I burn them also. But Mohini continued to talk to him, although she was very scared. She said, Ajivika, your mother said now you're a good dancer. Why you gave up dance? Chalo, come. How about we dance together? If you don't know how to dance, just follow me, okay? You sing what I'm singing and you do whatever steps I'm doing, okay? So Ajivika said, okay. So then Mohini took one of her piles in her one hand and she gave the other pile to Ajivika. She said, here you go. Hold this in your hand so you'll have some rhythm. So Ajivika took it and he put it in one hand. It fit only 2 of his fingers, but he still put it somehow. And he held it. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, chalo, we'll start? Yeah, start. So then she starts. Ajivika, Ajivika, Ajivika. And Ajivika says, hi, this is a song with my name in it. This is a very good song. I am going to dance to this. And he also starts. Ajivika, Ajivika, Ajivika. So good, you're so good. Okay, should we do some more? I like this song. It's my name song. Let's do more. So then she starts. Ajivika, Ajivika, Ajivika. So then Ajivika follows her. Ajivika, Ajivika, Ajivika. So good, Ajivika. Okay, now we'll go a little faster. You're already so good. Let's do something more challenging, okay? Ready? She says, yeah, I'm a good dancer. I'm ready for a challenge. Okay, she starts. Ajivika, Ajivika, Ajivika. He goes, Ajivika, Ajivika, Ajivika. 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 One more, last step, Ajivika. Okay, I'm ready. Okay. Ajivika, Ajivika, Ajivika. And he goes, Ajivika, Ajivika, Ajivika. And he keeps his hand on his head. And what happens? As soon as that happens, as soon as his hand goes on his head, woof! And a big fire breaks out. And with a big explosive noise. And Ajivika turns to ash. And that was Mohini's plan all along, is to get Ajivika to put his hand on his own head. And she runs away from the fire. Down the hill. Down through the silent forest. And halfway up to a village. And the villagers by now, they've heard the explosive sound of the fire. And they have run out of the village towards the mountain saying, oh my God, what happened? Is Mohini okay? And they meet her halfway and they see she's alive. And she's smiling. And she's running. And they say, what happened? Say, my plan worked. You see, I told you, give me one chance. I have destroyed Ajivika. Really? Wow. And they put her on their shoulders and they all sing and dance back to the village. Mohini, 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 Mohini. And they bring her to a grandma. And the girl says, I knew it. My granddaughter, she was always so good. I knew she had a plan and it would never fail. I had confidence in her. Saying, yeah, grandma, I'm back to eat my idlis now. And she had a wonderful dinner of idlis that her grandma had prepared. And since then, none of the villagers ever stopped Mohini from singing and dancing. Well, I hope you enjoyed listening to this folk tale of Mohini and Ajivika, and thank you for listening. Bye.